Have you ever pondered the effects of only eating eggs for an entire month? It's a fascinating question, isn't it? In this era where mono diets are all the rage, the thought of surviving on eggs alone for 30 days might strike you as eccentric or perhaps intriguing. Are you bewitched by the allure of trying new diets, the novelty of a fresh challenge? If so, buckle up. Prepare to journey through a month of egg-only meals. Imagine day 1. Your plate filled with nothing but eggs. It's a dramatic shift and your body will likely react in kind. The first thing you'll notice is a feeling of satiety or fullness. Eggs are packed with protein, one of the most satisfying nutrients. Protein stimulates the release of a hormone called PYY, which sends a signal to your brain that you're full. So even though you're eating the same thing meal after meal, you're unlikely to feel hungry. Now let's talk about energy levels. Here's where things get interesting. Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein, which provides the building blocks for body tissues, including muscles. They also contain all 9 essential amino acids, the ones your body can't produce on its own. This means that even though you're not getting the usual mix of foods, you're still getting the nutrients your body needs to function and maintain energy levels. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. This sudden dietary change can potentially cause some digestive discomfort. You see, eggs are quite low in fiber, a nutrient that helps regulate your digestive system. So, while your body might be getting plenty of protein, it might also be crying out for some good old fiber. This could lead to feelings of bloating or constipation. And then there's your mood. The brain is a complex organ that relies on a steady supply of nutrients to function properly. While eggs are a good source of several nutrients, they don't provide everything your brain needs. So you might find yourself feeling a little off, perhaps a bit more irritable or less focused than usual. But remember, these are just the initial changes. Your body is a remarkable machine, capable of adjusting to a wide range of conditions. It will begin to adapt to this new all-egg diet in ways you might not even realize. As your body adjusts, the true adventure begins. A week has passed. How is your body coping with this egg-cessive diet? Let's delve into the body's incredible ability to adapt. The most significant change in your dietary intake is the surge in protein. Eggs are a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids our bodies cannot produce. Now, you might be wondering, what does this protein overload do to your body? For starters, it may lead to weight loss. Yes, you heard it right. Proteins make you feel fuller for longer, reducing overall calorie intake. On top of that, your body uses more energy to digest proteins, so you're burning more calories even at rest. Another potential benefit of a diet is increased muscle synthesis. Proteins are the building blocks of muscles, and with an egg-inclusive diet, you're providing your body with an ample supply. This could lead to increased muscle mass, especially if you're pairing it with regular exercise. But as with everything in life, there are also downsides. You might notice changes in your bowel habits. Eggs are low in fiber, a crucial component for maintaining healthy digestion. A lack of fiber can lead to constipation, so don't be surprised if things slow down a bit. At the same time, your body is also trying to balance its nutrient intake. It misses out on a variety of nutrients found in other foods. Some people might experience fatigue due to the lack of carbohydrates, your body's favorite source of energy. Remember, your body is a complex machine, and it's currently on overdrive to adapt to this new regime. It's normal to experience ups and downs as it adjusts to the eggceptional changes. So in a nutshell, the first week of an egg-only diet can bring about potential weight loss and increased muscle synthesis, but may also lead to changes in bowel habits and potential fatigue. While your body is still adjusting, let's see what week 2 brings. If you're enjoying this egg-citing journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. 2 weeks of an egg-only diet, what could possibly happen next? Well, the second week of this rather unusual nutritional endeavor is where the real challenges start to emerge. As we press forward into this egg-centric escapade, your body begins to crave the nutrients it's been missing. The absence of vitamin C, an essential nutrient not found in eggs, becomes more noticeable. This deficiency could potentially lead to symptoms like fatigue, weakened immunity, and even scurvy if not addressed in time. And then there's fiber, a crucial component for a healthy digestive system. Fiber is conspicuously absent from our egg-only menu. The lack of it could lead to digestive discomfort, constipation, and a general feeling of sluggishness. Now picture this. You've been eating eggs for breakfast, lunch and dinner for 14 straight days. The once tantalizing smell of a freshly cooked omelette now induces a sigh rather than a growl from your stomach. The monotony of the diet is likely to trigger cravings for other foods, especially those rich in the nutrients you've been missing. Your favorite bowl of fruit salad or that crunchy toast might start looking more appealing than ever. And then there's the fatigue. With the lack of carbohydrates, your body's preferred energy source, you might start feeling more tired than usual. That afternoon slump might hit harder, and your morning run might feel more like a marathon. But as with every other challenge, there's a silver lining. This second week is a testament to your resilience. It's a testament to the lengths you're willing to go to understand your body, its needs and its limits. It's also a reminder of the importance of a balanced diet. A diet that includes a variety of foods, not just eggs, to ensure all nutritional needs are met. And so, as you wade through the challenges, you're halfway through the journey of understanding, of resilience and of eggs. Lots and lots of eggs. As you approach the end of the month, what are the long-term effects of this egg extravaganza? Well, firstly, let's talk about cholesterol. Yes, the dreaded C word. As we know, eggs are rich in cholesterol, particularly the yolk. Consuming eggs in excess may cause your cholesterol levels to soar. While your body needs a certain amount of cholesterol to function properly, too much can lead to the buildup of fatty deposits in your blood vessels, potentially causing heart disease. Now, you might think, but I've heard that dietary cholesterol doesn't affect blood cholesterol levels that much. Indeed, that's true for most people. However, for some, known as hyper-responders, eggs can cause a significant rise in blood cholesterol levels. So if you're planning on going on an egg-only diet, it might be a good idea to know your responder status. Next, let's move on to another long-term effect: weight gain. But wait a second, you might say, I've been losing weight on this diet. Yes, you might have. Initially, a drastic change in diet can shock your body into shedding pounds. However, remember, this is a highly restrictive diet lacking in certain essential nutrients. When you finally return to a more varied diet, your body, starved of these nutrients, may go into a sort of feeding frenzy, storing up as much as it can. This can lead to rapid weight gain, often more than what you might have lost initially. Furthermore, the effects of this diet on your metabolism are yet another factor to consider. A sudden switch back to a more varied diet might confuse your metabolism, causing it to slow down. This, combined with the increased calorie intake, could lead to even more weight gain. As the month draws to a close, one thing is clear: variety is key in any diet. An egg-only diet might seem like a quick fix. But remember, health is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about long-term, sustainable changes, not short-term, drastic measures. So what have we learned from this experiment? Quite a lot indeed. Our journey began with a seemingly simple question: what would happen if you only ate eggs for 30 days? The answer, as we've seen, is a complex mix of bodily changes and challenges. In the first week, our body attempted to adapt to the sudden influx of protein and cholesterol from eggs, with initial changes like increased energy levels and a potential spike in body weight, but it wasn't all sunny side up. The second week brought about challenges, including the monotony of a single food item and the potential for nutrient deficiencies. As we continued into weeks 3 and 4, we observed the long-term effects of an egg-only diet. These ranged from potential health risks like elevated cholesterol levels to psychological effects of food monotony. But the overarching lesson from our experiment is not about eggs alone. It's about the importance of a balanced diet. Our bodies thrive on variety, requiring different nutrients from different sources to function optimally. And while eggs are a nutritious food, relying solely on them or any single food item could lead to potential health risks. It also highlights the importance of consulting a healthcare professional before making drastic dietary changes. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique health needs. In the end, remember, moderation is the key to a healthy diet. Until the next eccentric experiment, keep exploring, keep questioning.